Alright, been a minute, but I finally got a welding bottle. One with a different size because the one that they originally sold me was supposedly just rare or hard to find, and I don't know why they sold it to me to begin with. So, got that. And now I've started mocking up the new Wastegate mount. And kind of where I got it, it's not hitting the frame anymore, which is what I needed it to not do. And next I will have to extend and kind of make a Z out of the Wastegate actuator bar. So that's kind of what's going on right now, but it looks good, so I'll probably be welding it up here soon. This is what I was talking about earlier for the actuator bar. This needs to connect to here, so it gets enough pressure, it opens it. So I'm going to Z it up, and it'll open it. Alright, so here's a better look at what I got going on here. It is cut and kind of extended that a little bit and gave it a little bit of angle. So that's all the way back, but I'm going to weld it all up. Do a little bit of trimming. And she's ready. Now that it all clears, it's time to weld it up. And the turbo mounting and everything is pretty much done then. Just hook up the coolant lines. And right now I'm working on the intercooler piping. Let's see, it's kind of what I got right now. It's kind of about where it's gonna run, something like that. Still gotta trim some stuff up. I cut all this out. I'm gonna cut up to that black line. So just trying to make everything fit. Alright, so I got most of the piping all the way done on this. That's just to hold it up. That's not permanent, I promise. This is actually going to be up here more, but I'm waiting on one more straight piece and my reducer right here, and I'll put my blow-off valve right there. But yeah, this is all the piping for the intercooler. I cut the original front mount piece that was right here and just did a 90 so I could make clearance for this one being on top. But with some 45s, 90, it's gonna work out. Alright, making a little intercooler bracket right here. Come across, put some smaller bolts so it's not hanging on this flimsy thing, but alright, so I got the intercooler bracket made and installed. Got the intercooler all bolted up. Everything clears the bash bar, which is nice. I still have to mount my oil cooler right there. That'll just be, I'm gonna make a new bar from here over to the other side, and then I'll probably have some mounts from the bottom of the intercooler go to that. So that's probably it for this one. Kind of slacking on these, videotaping and everything like that, but I'm gonna try and put these together a little bit better, more constant every week. I don't always film everything, and then I try to throw stuff together, and yeah, I'm gonna try and make it a little bit better, I guess. I want to give a shout out to Midtown Auto for hooking it up with the tires. Alright, don't forget to go to A-List, grab you some merch, put in my promo code, get you some money off that, help support us. Alright, until next time guys, peace out.